Mo recently embarked on an incredible week-long adventure through Malaysia, uncovering the beauty of its cities, islands, and highlands. His journey began in the bustling capital, Kuala Lumpur, where he stayed for 2 days. Mo couldn't resist visiting the Petronas Twin Towers, marveling at the stunning view from the observation deck. He also explored the Boh Tea Caves, climbing the colorful steps to reach the limestone temple nestled within. In the evenings, he wandered through Bukit Bintang, Kuala Lumpur's vibrant shopping and entertainment district, savoring Malaysian street food at Jalan Alor Night Market. On his third day, Mo traveled to the tropical paradise of Langkawi. Here, he spent 2 days soaking up the island's beauty, starting with a relaxing morning at Pantai Tsanong Beach, where the soft white sand and crystal-clear waters set the tone for a perfect island escape. He couldn't resist the thrill of riding the Langkawi Cable Car, reaching the iconic Langkawi Sky Bridge, which offered breathtaking views of the lush rainforest and surrounding islands. Mo also took a guided mangrove tour, where he witnessed majestic eagles and explored hidden caves. Next, Mo flew to the cultural hub of Penang, known for its rich history and vibrant food scene. He spent his fourth and fifth days in Georgetown, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, exploring the charming colonial streets, stopping to admire the famous Penang street art, and tasting Penang's renowned street food, especially the delicious char kway teow and nasi kandar. A highlight of his Penang visit was taking the Penang Hill Railway up to Penang Hill, where Mo enjoyed panoramic views of the city below and visited the magnificent Kek Lok Si Temple, the largest Buddhist temple in Malaysia. On the sixth day, Mo ventured to the serene Cameron Highlands for a change of pace. Surrounded by cool mountain air and endless green landscapes, he toured the famous Boh Tea Plantation, learning about tea production and sipping freshly brewed tea with stunning views of the rolling hills. He also enjoyed picking fresh strawberries at a local strawberry farm and hiked the ethereal mossy forest, known for its misty atmosphere and unique flora. The cooler climate and peaceful environment of the Cameron Highlands provided a refreshing retreat from the tropical heat. Throughout his trip, Mo dined at some of Malaysia's most memorable restaurants. In Kuala Lumpur, he had a luxurious dinner at Nobu, enjoying its signature Japanese Peruvian dishes with a view of the city skyline. In Penang, he sampled local delights at Penang Road famous Tia Kendal, where he cooled off with a traditional bowl of sendal. During his stay in Langkawi, Mo had a laid-back dinner at the Fat Frog, savoring healthy vegetarian dishes while overlooking the ocean. He wrapped up his culinary adventure with a cozy meal at Orchid Lodge in the Cameron Highlands, where he enjoyed both local and Western dishes in a charming countryside setting. By the end of the week, Mo had experienced the best that Malaysia has to offer, from its dynamic cities to its serene islands and highlands. The blend of adventure, cultural discovery, and incredible food made this trip an unforgettable journey through one of Southeast Asia's most beautiful countries.